Hello friends, in our today's session we may discuss how time and date should be implemented or importing in Python. So most probably time and date is an important thing in a dynamic programming. The time and date should be varies according to the users concepts. So here we are going to see how date and time can be easily implemented or used in Python. So let's start with Spider IDE. Okay, first we will see how date is implemented in Python. Sorry. So import date and time. So its datetime is a package, it's a standard package, but most probably all the Python programs use. And next we need to initiate a variable a. You can take any variable, I just take a value and date time dot date time dot now. So this code will give you the present date and time. This will change according to your system time or your network time. Most probably this will use the kernel side that you can see here. The kernel is running behind all the compiling of the program. The kernel is running behind, so it will take the date and time from system itself. So next I need to print a dot day. So it will print the present date. So let's see. Yes, today it's 13. Yes, it's correct. So next we will see month. Play this. Yes, so it's also executing, like printing the correct one. So next we will see the year. Yes, it's 2019, it's correct. So this type of time and date implementation is very much useful to importing time date functions. And so the next stage of this time date implementation in Python is somewhat user interface technique. Also we can say it in user interface technique. So here I am going to see a short example how this time and date and time will help you in Python, as well as here I'm going to use a simple technique for representing our age by calculating the system year and our date of birth year and subtracting two values, and we will obtain the age as an output. So let's do the coding. As first I need to declare b as a value, and I need to take int input. So let's turn into input value, enter your year of birth. So enter the year of birth. Before I close this, I need to make sure this. So b is equal to int input, enter your year of birth, and so in the variable b I will store my integer value that my year of birth. So if I give any value, like 1998, 1997. So it will save that value. In next line I need the date from system, so sorry, year from system. So I declare a value c is equal to, let's see, a dot, I need year by year, so I just click year. So c is equal to a dot year. We have declared a variable from the system itself, and I need to process the age. So age is our output, so we need to subtract system time, sorry, system year, systems year minus our birth year, that is called p. So next we need to print it, try to print it as, how can I do it, your age is put a comma and include your variable. So this is the simple program for date and time, importing date and time in the program. And you can print the age by calculating the your birth year and system year by comparing or subtracting it. So I'm giving 1998. Yes, my age is 21. It's correct. So this is a simple thing where we will majorly use date time as the importing section. This type of importing section will help more type of importance, that will give importance for some, if you're developing some web pages, means you can use this type of things for conversions of age. So if you, the dynamic page will understand the user's year of birth itself, so there is no need to make a column for enter your age, enter your date of birth. So this is not mandatory for it. So that's it. So you have an idea about how date and time works in Python program. So it's very easy. So thank you guys, see you on next video. Please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon. Bye.